So I ordered a wall-mounted garage vacuum cleaner. Got it delivered just a few days ago. Finally getting some time to unbox it and get it mounted up on the wall. Let's do it. So this is the Bissell Garage Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. It's a wall-mounted vacuum cleaner, but it looks like you also have the option to just sit it upright and use it that way. It's got a 32-foot long hose and it's got a 4-gallon tank. Let's get it unboxed. So normally I would stop at a car wash on my way home from work every few days and vacuum my car that way. But just thought it would be nice and convenient to have a vacuum cleaner at home in my garage that I could use. Let's see what all it comes with. You got your manual. Here's the hose, 32 feet long. That should be great. Here's the actual vacuum cleaner. We'll take that apart in just a second. And here's a bag. I'm assuming it's got some of your attachments in there. A couple of extensions. And then there's this too. Probably would never use this, but it's there. There's a few more attachments here. This one probably will get used the most. Reach all the crevices in the car. This one would be good for the floorboard and maybe the trunk. And that's it. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. Not the prettiest thing, but it's more about the functionality, right? That's the 4-gallon tank. I'm guessing the attachment, the wall mounting bracket should be in there. This is where you plug in the hose for vacuum. And it actually also has a blower function. All you gotta do is remove the hose and plug it in on this end. So when it comes to mounting locations, somewhere right over here will probably be the ideal location for our needs. The vacuum cleaner has a 32-foot long hose, like I said, and that's great for reaching out to the cars in the driveway. And you can also use it with the cars parked in the garage. That's close to an outlet, and that's the only outlet we have on this wall, which sucks because it's always been so convenient having the kids' bikes over there, because even with the cars parked, you can just swivel those mounts out and get their bikes out for them to use. But it's all good. I just purchased some bike mounts to put up under this rack right here. There's another outlet out there, rather over there, but it'll be too far to get to the cars in the driveway. And then over on this wall, I have another outlet, but that's a NEMA 1450. It's a 240-volt outlet. That's going to be for an EV in the future. Shout out to Elon Musk. Here's something that happened during the installation. One of the mounting screws broke. That sucks. So I'm gonna have to take that back down, drill some new holes, and find a screw here around the house somewhere. Okay, so there it is. Got it mounted up on the wall. The installation process is pretty easy. I mean, it's a simple bracket with 3 holes in it and now 3 screws into the wall, and that really should be it. However, the only problem I did have is the screws that came included were cheap. One of them actually broke and the 2 others stripped. So I had to go use some of the screws I already had at home. But other than that, pretty simple installation. So I'm just gonna clean up this mess right here and then we'll test it out. So just so you see how long this hose is, it extends all the way out here to the driveway, to the end of the driveway. And I'm gonna, see, I'm already realizing one problem. You have to walk all the way back to the vacuum cleaner itself to turn it on and off. And that is actually, I mean, it's not a deal breaker, but that's actually a feature that I saw in another one that I was looking at. You could actually, it had a little Bluetooth button right here where you could turn it on and off from the handle. This one doesn't do that, so you're gonna have to walk back to the device to turn it on and off. So seems like it's working pretty fine. It's got very good suction. I like that. So just to show you, so again, this vacuum cleaner comes in multiple attachments for detailing your vehicle, but for my needs, probably just this 3 right here would be the ones I use most. I don't really see a need for, I don't need an extension, and I probably don't need these ones. These should be good for getting in the crevices in your car, for your, floorboard in your trunk, and might not even really use this one. Everything fits neatly inside of this bag right here. You can put it all in the bag and hang the bag up with a hose right there. So as I mentioned before, this vacuum cleaner also has a blower feature, which will be great for cleaning out the garage floor and getting the leaves and debris out of here. And to switch to blower, all you have to do is unplug from this end and plug it in over here. Just that simple. and turn it on. So, I mean, overall, I think it works as well as advertised. It's got a pretty long hose, 32 feet. The hose itself is a 1/4 inch diameter. The vacuum suction is really strong. I'm a little disappointed in the blower feature, though. I was hoping it will be, strong enough to where I can actually use it to blow dry the car, or use it to blow dry like the crevices in the grill and the tire wheel whenever I wash or detail my vehicles. As far as looks goes, it's not the best looking vacuum out there. I did see a couple of other options on Amazon that looked better, looked a lot slicker, maybe a little bit more modern, but they did not have the blower feature, which is, a bonus in this one. Price wise, it was right around $200. I think it was like $205 on Amazon, but I actually did not purchase it on Amazon. I'll put a link to the website where I got it from. The reason it was because it wasn't available right away on Amazon. It was going to take maybe another couple of weeks for them to ship. So I bought it from another website. But interesting, today, right before I shot this video, I went to go look it up on Amazon. It's still unavailable, but the price has gone up to $360. So you might have to do some shopping around before you get it. But I mean, I think it's a good buy. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.